Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Friday, March 22nd. Well, we see in the Russell a stronger close. It's the opposite kind of behavior we saw in the S&P and the Nasdaq market as we looked at in the advanced video. So a different structure here is unfolding in the Russells. Can these buyers follow through? An up close on Friday would imply a technical uptrend for our friend the Russell. Well, let's see what's happening in the euro. It traded below its sell level. Dollar difference in that market is $562.50. And what are we looking for here? I don't look for a big day down. Lower, yes, but it could easily bounce right back up as we go into the weekend. But look at the Swissy. It really fell out of bed. This is a logical level to find buyers. Nothing telling us to be a buyer at this level, though. And in Japanese yen, traded just above its buy level, and it failed as it broke back to the downside. These are levels that we found buyers before. Be cautious if you're on the short side. The dollar difference between the sell and buy level in that market is $562.50. So Mr. Yen, even though we had a lot going on this week fundamentally with the Bank of Japan, is still structurally, I think, surprising a lot of people. But let's talk about the Canadian dollar, also new highs, and it backed off as the dollar got stronger. Inside day on Friday would be expected. Bond futures, they're selling the rallies, but can we get follow through to the downside? Right now, if the yields continue to strengthen, look for a down day on Friday. And copper, here's a market that we're seeing some selling coming back in. I think that makes sense, but this is not super bearish, so be cautious on the short side in that market. Soybeans making new highs, and then it failed. It backed off a bit. So not a sign of continuation, but a sign of a toppy type market. Look for a down day on Friday. And those are my thoughts for today. Thank you for sharing your time with me. Look forward to being with you again in the meantime. Take care.